Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of engineering with a look at the 5 longest bridges in the USA. These colossal structures, stretching for miles over water, swampland, and even a combination of land and sea, stand as testaments to human ingenuity and our ambition to conquer geographical challenges. Join me as we journey across these ribbons of concrete and steel, uncovering the stories behind their construction and the impact they've had on the landscape and the lives of the people they connect. Stay tuned as we uncover the history and some interesting facts about these incredible structures. Our journey begins in the heart of Louisiana, where the sprawling waters of Lake Pontchartrain pose a formidable barrier. It is here we encounter not one but 2 engineering marvels, the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway. These parallel bridges, each stretching over 23 miles, hold the title of the longest bridges in the United States, and indeed, the world, over water. Construction of the first causeway began in 1955, driven by the need for a faster route across the lake.
Imagine the scale of the project. 9,500 concrete pilings driven deep into the lakebed, supporting a roadway that seems to disappear into the horizon. Open to traffic in 1956, it quickly became a vital artery for the region.
As traffic volume grew, a second causeway, constructed parallel to the first and opened in 1969, became essential. These twin bridges, a testament to engineering prowess, continue to serve as a lifeline for the communities they connect. From the open waters of Lake Pontchartrain, we venture into the murky depths of the Manchac Swamp, a 100,000-acre expanse of wetlands teeming with life. Here, amidst the cypress trees and Spanish moss, lies our next engineering marvel, the Manchac Swamp Bridge. This 8-mile-long bridge, a key section of Interstate 55, carries travelers over the seemingly impenetrable swamp.
Imagine the task faced by the engineers, constructing a stable roadway over a constantly shifting landscape of water, mud, and vegetation. The solution: over 100,000 concrete pilings driven deep into the swamp bed, supporting the weight of the bridge and its constant flow of traffic.
Chapter 3. Atchafalaya Basin Bridge, over the river and through the basin. Our journey through Louisiana continues at the Atchafalaya Basin Bridge, an 18.2-mile marvel carrying Interstate 10 over the largest swamp in the U.S.
Completed in 1973, it's a testament to the ingenuity and determination of those who conquered this unique environment. Ensuring stability over miles of water was a logistical feat.
The bridge is a sight to behold, soaring over waterways and forests. Appreciate the scale and beauty as you drive across.
Chapter 4. Chesapeake Bay, Bridge Tunnel, where land meets sea and engineering triumphs. Our journey takes us to the Chesapeake Bay, separating the Delmarva Peninsula from mainland Virginia. Here we encounter a unique feat of engineering, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel.
This 17.6-mile-long marvel, completed in 1964, transitions between overwater and underwater sections.
Driving across it is an experience unlike any other. One moment, you're soaring above the water, the next you're plunged into darkness.
The Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel is a vital transportation artery connecting communities along the East Coast. Chapter 5. I-10. Bonnet Carré Spillway Bridge, guardian of the mighty Mississippi. Our final destination takes us back to Louisiana, to the banks of the mighty Mississippi River. Here we find the I-10 Bonnet Carré Spillway Bridge, a 9-mile-long structure that plays a vital role in protecting the city of New Orleans from the river's periodic floods.
Completed in 1965, the bridge spans the Bonnet Carré Spillway, a critical flood control structure that diverts excess water from the Mississippi River into Lake Pontchartrain during periods of high water.
The I-10 Bonnet Carré Spillway Bridge stands as a silent guardian, a testament to human foresight and our ability to harness even the most powerful of natural forces.
The bridge itself is a marvel of modern engineering, with its long stretches of concrete and steel gracefully spanning the spillway's open waters and wetlands. From the sprawling waters of Lake Pontchartrain to the murky depths of the Manchac Swamp, we've journeyed across some of the most impressive bridges in the United States. These structures, each a marvel of engineering, stand as testaments to human ingenuity and our unwavering determination to overcome geographical barriers. But they are more than just feats of engineering. They are lifelines connecting communities, facilitating commerce, and even protecting us from the forces of nature. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Let us know in the comments which bridge you found the most interesting.